I love this new camera. I can just let it sit just how it is. So I had to buy their T65 because I read that's the closest to our all-purpose flour. So I'm going to get that done. Then we got sugar, so regular sugar, and yes, sorry people in France, we use sugar, lots of it. So sorry, no, y'all don't do that. Now for the cocoa powder, and this is where I'm a little concerned because I got this, and it says on the box it's good for pastries. So I'm hoping that it's not the cocoa that they use in like hot chocolate, hot cocoa. Okay, smells good. Smells like cocoa that, you know, that I would normally use. So in she goes. Box was expensive, and that's all I got left. I think I paid almost €4 for this. I need to find something bigger. So this is where I had to look up stuff because I kind of forgot from pastry school. Poudre à lever is baking powder. Then they all have like sea salt, and I don't need sea salt. I need regular salt. They didn't have anything smaller, so the closest thing I saw to it was table salt. And then their baking soda, that was the hardest thing I had to decide for last year, and it was hard for me to find where it was in the grocery store because it's bicarbonate, and that's what this is. So that's next. Hey, that looks like a lot. And it was a half a tablespoon instead of half a teaspoon. Damn it. And now for the salt. I hope this works. Oh. Okay. Looks about right. Now for the wet ingredients. A cup of milk. That was easy. I'm a little concerned because I didn't see something that said vegetable oil. Everything else had all these other oils, but I got this. Please let it be right. Translation wasn't that great. And a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. And now we get to mixing. Cross your fingers, y'all. All right, now let me see. Not bad. Doesn't taste as sweet, and I put the same amount of sugar, so maybe it's the cocoa that's making it taste different. We'll see how it tastes. All filled. Now to make the frosting. Cocoa, melted margarine, and powdered sugar. Okay, so I made the frosting, and it tastes decent. I just did something about the texture that's grainy. So I don't know if it's the cocoa or if I needed to sift I usually don't have to sift my powdered sugar for this frosting, but maybe I need to sift it. But, you know, that's me. I'm a perfectionist, but it just has a little graininess to it. But again, still tastes pretty damn good. Let's see. There we go. And here I go. Excuse my Christmas tree cupcake wrappers, but that's all I could find in my box. So let's see. Oh yeah. I taste the sweetness now, for sure. So I'm glad that the cake is not as sweet as it normally would be. Oh yeah. For the Americans that need some sugar, you're going to get in this. I don't think French folks are going to like this. So these are from my American folks. And I'll just have to alter my recipe a little bit for the French people who may say, ooh, that's way too much sugar. But it sure is good. Check y'all later.